Ready when you are? All good? Hey guys, Mark here, Racing Simulation Director at Advanced SimRacing. What we have behind us here is one of our turnkey racing simulation solutions. It includes a bunch of different peripherals, from a very high-end wheelbase from SimuCube to a full-on motion system from D-Box. Basically what Advanced SimRacing does, and has been doing for now 3 to 4 years, is complete turnkey racing simulation solutions for professional drivers, gentlemen drivers, or just people who want something very, very cool, either for their man cave, if I can say it like that, or just any sort of entertainment room. What we provide is the complete solution, from the computer that you need, the screens, all the different components, the seat, even the chassis that you can see that we manufacture ourselves in Montreal, Canada. This is super high-end stuff that feature commercial grade equipment that you can find even in some cases in real race cars. So we're happy to be here in partnership, like I said, with D-Box, who provide the motion system on the whole platform. And yeah, again, it's a system that can be used for training purposes, just like entertainment. And we're very happy to be here at CEDIA and be able to share it with you guys.